Amazing ways cloves can boost your health and well-being. Cloves can help you improve your digestion and prevent ulcers. Cloves can stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and increase the motility of the gastrointestinal tract. Cloves can help you lower your blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Cloves can improve your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, which can help you regulate your blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes. Cloves can also prevent oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to diabetes complications. Cloves can help you boost your immune system and fight infections. Cloves can help you reduce inflammation and pain. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that can help you reduce swelling and redness in your body. Cloves can help you improve your liver health and detoxify your body. Cloves can enhance the function of your liver and increase the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that can neutralize toxins and protect your liver from damage. Cloves can help you prevent cancer and slow down tumor growth. Cloves have anti-cancer properties that can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells by inducing apoptosis or programmed cell death. Cloves can help you improve your bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Cloves can help you enhance your brain function and prevent neurodegenerative diseases.